A hackneyed word or a hackneyed phrase is a phrase which is being used again and again and again, and as a result has become boring. Synonyms for the word hackneyed would include the word cliché, banal, and trite. So something that you hear every day, something that you hear again and again, something that you hear so often that it loses its meaning is a hackneyed phrase. Let's have a clipping here.
Look, what'd you say your name was?
Rupert, my name is Rupert Buckner.
All right, look, pal. Gotta tell you, this is a crazy business, but it's not unlike any other business. There are ground rules. And you don't just walk onto a network show without experience. Now, I know it's an old hackneyed expression, but it happens to be the truth. You've got to start at the bottom.
I know, that's where I am, at the bottom.
That's a perfect place to start.
So, what was the usage here? The speaker says, it's an old hackneyed expression, but it is the truth. You've got to start at the bottom. In other usage, politicians tend to repeat the same hackneyed expressions over and over again. The plot of the film is just a hackneyed boy meets girl scenario. A hackneyed scenario, a scenario that has been repeated too often. Hopefully, you're getting the meaning of the word hackneyed.